Dear friends of the mystical path, in this course you will learn the meaning of enlightenment and mystical union and how it is achieved. You will learn about the energetic processes behind it and how to implement them meditatively for your own practice. Every meditation on divine love and enlightenment in the divine spirit has wonderful, transformative, uplifting effects on you. Mystical union offers you joy, bliss, the experience of oneness beyond time and space, and profound insights. God connectedness is strengthened with each meditation, leading to a sense of flow in your life. You are more and more in your center, and your life is in the flow. Everything flows naturally to you. This growing flow feeling is based on the unfolding harmony within yourself with God and creation. Divine intuition and trust that everything turns out well and right for you in life, that everything has a purpose. Please check out the other videos for each single course. Thank you for your kind attention. As always, I wish you the best and much love. See you soon.